So hi guys, welcome back. So I solved the problem. I'm going to show you what I did. So you see this one? It works fine now. See? So what I did was, see, look at that. You see the screw? Put a screw. Now, okay. What I did was, and I'm just finishing up this side. I'm just going to show you what I've done. I'm just going to finish this up. I have letter brads. I'll show you. Okay. See, letter brads. And the thing is, the stem is longer, okay, than the black brads, the other brads that I was using. So um, it went through better, so I can open it up, but only a little bit. So, but more than the black brad. Anyhow, so that's what I did. I'm just finishing here. I'm just got it in, and I just separated the stem. So now I'm going to cover it with a piece of tape. I'm going to cover it with a piece of tape. I'll put some glue first. Just going to put a bit of glue. Put the tape over it. Just going to push it on. That's good. That looks good. Okay. I'm just going to cover it with another piece of tape, silver tape, just to make sure that it's really secure. I had to fight a lot with trying to get this done. That's just the way of it. So, yeah, it's okay. Like I said, there's always a way to fix something that doesn't turn out. Always a way. Just going to burnish this down. I'm just going to cut that little piece off. Okay, now it works. Oh my gosh, after all that. Okay, so what I did was I also have this the screws, the screw brass. What I did was I clipped the stem off of it, And then because it's hollow and I want to glue it onto here to give it a good surface, I just filled it in with some hot glue and let it dry. So it'll be flat. So when I put it on here, now just need some. I'm using the Gorilla Glue. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a touch of hot glue. Of course. Now, just to give it some time. The Gorilla Glue to just take hold. Now I'm having trouble with this one. Oh, wow. Okay. It's not working. Got too much glue on there. Too much hot glue on there. I'm going to cut it off. Cut some of it off. Okay. So I want it to be flat. I'm just going to put a touch of hot glue on the surface. There. So it's oozing out everywhere, right? I'll just wait till it dries up a bit and then I'll start cutting it off just to clean it up. So yeah, I got hot glue stuck to my fingers. Anyhow. So okay. There. It's working. Good. So that's it. The wings are on, finally. Just clean this glue up a bit. The hot glue that oozed out. That's just the X-Acto knife. Okay, almost done. Let's see, I need better glasses. Yeah, I need new glasses. I'm gonna have to go and have an appointment at some point. That's it. There. That's good. So there. That's the second one on. There. Now finally. There. Now the wings work. There. That's what happens. Persistence. There. So cute. There you go. Now those wings are on. There. So cool. So, and then just put it down. There. The other side. Okay. All right. So that's it for now. Just wanted to come on and show you that I figured out how to fix the wings. So nothing's impossible. It's always fixable. Anyhow, whatever is wrong, and like I said, where there's a will, there's a way. So that's it, guys. I'll see you later. Ciao.